Today we're going to be unboxing a Vividia CX series borescope. So let's kind of see what we have here in our initial box. So you open up the box there, you find this soft shell carrying case. Very sturdy. You can kind of get an idea of the scale of the size of the carrying case itself. So I'm going to unzip it here. So what we have inside is our borescope itself. So as you can see, this comes with a clamp. So this clamp is made for both tablets. You can see you can extend this out, or phones. And this portion here screws into the top section of the scope on top. So you can mount your phone, you can mount your tablet there on the top. So this is a joystick borescope. So you can tell it's a 1 meter long cable. Try to give you a good picture of it here. But it's a full articulating joystick borescope. So when I turn it whichever direction, I can get the bend back, or I can get a 360-degree sweep on the scope itself. Other accessories we have here. We got our instruction manual, just kind of gives very easy to use, just some basic instructions on how to operate it, and the app that you would need to download for your tablet or phone. This is for Apple and Android devices, by the way. Other accessories in the bag include a charging cable here. You got a USB-C, you got a USB micro, and you got a lightning cable for some of the iPhones. Also a little wipe cloth and some tips for cleaning. So that's the basic accessories that you get here in the box. The clamp, as you see here, is easily attached to the top by screwing it on just like this. And you can adjust it to which side you like, whether you want the phone side or whether you want it to be on the side where you display a tablet. So I've decided I wanted to go with a bigger display, so I got this 10-inch iPad. So now what I need to do is just connect my lightning cable. Here on the side, you've got a USB port, and then you just connect it here into the iPad itself. And I'm going to open up the app here. I've already downloaded the app needed. So then I just turn it on here, so I should get light on my scope and an image. I'm going to flip the screen here. You see it had more of a vertical orientation, so I want something more of a horizontal so I can get a full screen. As you can see, I've got brightness control here on the scope, so I can increase or decrease the lighting. Here I can take photographs and videos. Give you an idea, so you can use a really nice big display like this 10-inch tablet, or you can go smaller just like your phone, whichever you prefer. So this was a simple unboxing of the Vividia CX series borescope. There's other videos available that show application and other features of the scope. Just wanted to give you an idea of what you get when you purchase your CX series borescope. If you have any other questions regarding the CX series borescope, please contact us.